guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do project 94. Now we are going to continue with the Twitter project. Now we had done the index.html, we had done the login.js and the style.css. So today we are going to do the Twitter room.html, JavaScript and CSS. So we'll start with the HTML. We'll start with the HTML, then the heading, then we'll add the bootstrap links and the title. The title will be Twitter room as we are opening the Twitter room. So the Twitter room will open. In the previous class I told you that we'll do this. Previous project I told you that we'll do this. So now we'll connect the CSS and the JavaScript will connect in the end, because sometimes the JavaScript does not work when imported in the start. Then we'll close the header and then we'll start with the body. Now the body will add a div with the class container. This will be a bootstrap class, so we'll not use it in the Twitter room.css. So now we'll add a button. The ID will be logout. On click logout function. So we are going to do the logout function in the next or next project. After that, we'll give the class glyph icon logout, BT and danger. And the text will be logout. And then we'll close the button and then we'll add a center tag. Now we'll add a heading one. The class will be header, which is a bootstrap class. Then we'll add the text Twitter and then we'll add a SUP, which will be messages.jpg. The height will be 100 and the width will also be 100. We'll close the heading 1 and then we'll add a heading 3. The ID will be username, the class will be color white. And we'll add a div with the class form group input div room page. The form group class is a bootstrap class, is also a bootstrap class. Then we'll add a label add room. We'll do the add room function also in the JavaScript and we'll connect the Firebase. Now we'll add an input with the type text. The ID will be room, the class will be form control and the placeholder will be room name. Then we'll close the div and then we'll add another button in which we are going to do the add room function, and then the class will be BT and success, which will turn the color to green. And then the text will be hashtag add room. And then we'll close the button. Then we'll add a h3 with the class color white and the text will be viral room. Hashtag viral room. And then we'll add a div with the ID output and then we'll close the div. So we are not going to do anything with the div with the ID output. We'll do it in the next project. Next project. And then we'll close the div, we'll close the center tag, we'll close the body, we'll add the JavaScript, and then we'll close the HTML. Now the CSS I have done on my own, it's my creativity, so you can do anything you want in the CSS to make it more good and better. Then we'll add the Firebase. So you have to copy this from your Firebase. After that, you must have learned it in your class that you can just copy this, and then we'll add the function add room. Username, we'll add a variable username that will be equal to document.getElement by id room. So we had given the room um, over here. The input was room. So we'll take the value of the room and then firebase.database.ref / child username dot update. And then in that we'll add Kabir. Kabir is my friend, so I just added the name, and he will say hola. Hola is hello only, but it's in another language. So now we'll close the add room function. Now I'll show you in the Firebase. First of all, we'll do the click go live. Now we'll add the username. I'll add my name, then click on login, and we have done with. Now we'll add the room, any room P, and then we'll click on add room. So it will add the room over in the output, which we'll do in the next class, next project. Now we'll go to the Firebase. I'll show you the Firebase. We'll open the Firebase. We'll go to the real-time database. It's taking a little bit time to load. Just wait, I'll do it again. It did not work. Then we'll click on add room. Nothing happens. It will work in your PC. It's not working here, but it will work in your PC. So this is what we have to do in the project. So now thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time.